Hello everyone, welcome back to the Salesforce Hunt. So today I'm going to discuss about Salesforce Speed Performance Testing. So if you don't know about this Salesforce Performance Testing, so please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So you will be get new contents like this. So let's get started without any further delay. Okay, so here you can see we can testing this performance testing within two ways with the help of your domain. Means first of all we have to configure domain, custom domain in Salesforce, and after that you can use instance as well. Okay, there are two ways to testing this performance. Okay, so let me open my Google Chrome and just here you can see, let me log in my org, any org as you want. So just click this. Okay, and now once I logged in my org, so it's open me. Okay, so here you can see I just logged in my org. Okay, so here you can see it's a 21 release. Okay, so now first of all we have to take these things like https your domain, then .lightning.force.com, then /speedtest.jsp. okay, so first of all I have to check with the help of my domain. So how to check this? So first of all let me copy my URL, just copy this and paste it here, and please remove all the things here. Okay, here you can see, so just copy this .lightning, before lightning these things like http : something like that. So just copy these things here to here like this, just copy and paste it in new line, right? And just copy this lightning.force.com, then /.jsp, right? Just copy and remove one dot here and copy this URL and paste it in your browser. Okay, like that. Once you enter these things, here you can see like network speed test. So this is my application logo. You can see talent management solution, Salesforce performance test. And if you want to test these things like our Salesforce org is working fine or not, so you can check with the help of this test button, right? So you have to click this test button. Okay, you have to write this test button here and just click this test button, and you can get all the information like Octane score, hardware cores, frame rate, latency, and download speed, upload speed, your server instance, releasings, and trust status. Okay, so let me execute first this test, and here you can see it takes some time. Okay, is testing each and every function. Here you can see this is frame rate, latency, speed test, and uploading speed. Everything you can check with the help of this tool. This is the online tool. Okay, you can check your org as well and your instance as well. Okay, so here you can see one performance is going on, one process. Okay, so wait for minutes. Now you can see the final result like Octane score and 32,000 something here, 8 hardware cores, and frame rates. You can see download speed and upload speed as well. Okay, so this is the first way to test your Salesforce instance or test your Salesforce or under the under online systems. Okay, so this is the one way, and let me do another way with the help of instances. Okay, so if you don't know about instances, so please watch my admin section videos about how many instances available in Salesforce. So you can watch my previous video. Okay, so how to check my instance? So first way to check your instance, so you have to go first setup, and once you go this setup, so you have to search like company information. Okay, so you have to search company information under the quick find. So just company information. Okay, so here you can see this is the company information. Okay, so you have to click this one like company information. So this is the company information, and now you can see my instance, Salesforce instance here. Okay, so let me check this instance is available or not here. so it takes some few seconds. It depends on your internet speed. Okay, so here you can see my instance is AP24 because I am in India, so that's why it's showing me like AP means Asia specific. Okay, so that's why it's showing like AP24. So I want to check this AP24 status in the Salesforce website. So here you can see like trust.salesforce, or we can say that another website like status.salesforce.com. okay, so you can check your instance performance, and before that and after that you can check everything. Any security reason is there in that instance or not, you can check each and every point under this website. So this website provided by Salesforce, so you can check each and every instance here. Okay, so it's taking some time, so don't worry about that. Okay, so it depends on your internet speed or your bandwidth. Okay, so yeah, here you can see trust status. Okay, so this is the title of this website, trust status. So let me click any of the Salesforce services, or we can say that here you can see AP something like that. So my instance is, here you can see like AP24. okay, so you have to check this AP24, like find AP24. so here you can see my instance this. So just click this AP24 here, and you can find out each and every current status of this instance, like core services, search, analytics, live agent, all the things you can check. And version as well, Asia specific because I'm in India, so that's why it's showing like AP. And maintenance window, each and everything. And history you can check also. You can check the history also, like before 7 days, 3 days and 24 hours date, and you can custom as well. Okay, maintenance, any maintenance is happening before and after, you can check each and everything here. Okay, so this is the way to check your server instances. So my instance is how to check this Salesforce performance test with the help of instance. So how to check this, like just copy this URL and paste it new line, and my instance is AP24. okay, like AP24, just enter this AP24 and just copy and paste this URL in new window here, and just hit the enter, and you can check this AP24. so he's asking some login, so just let me log in this one. Okay, and now you can see network speed test, same thing is opening here as we discussed earlier. This is test speed, same thing is happening here. Okay, so you can check with the help of instance as well, domain. Okay, so if you don't know about the domain, so you can check the domain here, like check my domain. Okay, click the my domain, and once you click this my domain, you can check your domain is available or not, because Salesforce already configured this domain at the time of account creation automatically. Before that you can configure these things as manually, but right now it's automatically everything. Okay, so how to check this? So here you can see my domain name is this one. Okay, so this is my domain. So now let me click this test speed button here, and let's guess test with the help of instances. Okay, so it's going on like latency and all the things. Okay, and now it's taking some time, please wait after completing this thing. Okay, so now you can see final test of this instance, like octane score 32, same thing is happen with the help of this one. So now uploading speed, downloading speed, latency, and your server. So this is the way to test your Salesforce instance or Salesforce performance test in online. Okay, so if you have any query question, so please enter your query question under the comment section, and please like this video. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt for more updates like this. And thank you, bye bye, see ya.